Most people think inflammation is just swelling or redness, but inside your body, it's much deeper and far more dangerous. Every day, millions of people walk around with silent inflammation they don't even know is there, causing fatigue, weight gain, joint pain, bloating, low energy, headaches, and even long-term diseases. The problem begins when your immune system becomes irritated for too long. When you eat ultra-processed foods filled with sugar, fried oils, and additives, when you're stressed every day and your cortisol stays high, when bad gut bacteria release toxins into your bloodstream, when you don't sleep enough or breathe well, your immune cells stay switched on, constantly fighting, even when nothing is wrong. Inside your body, this creates tiny fires. Your blood vessels become irritated. Your joints feel stiff. Your brain becomes foggy. Your fat cells start holding on to more fat. You wake up tired, your stomach bloats easily, and your mood feels off. That's chronic inflammation, the invisible enemy making your body work harder than it should. But the good news is, your body is built to reverse inflammation naturally, as long as you give it the right fuel and the right routine. The most powerful way to cool inflammation is through what you eat. Foods like berries, ginger, turmeric, fatty fish, leafy greens, garlic, onions, olive oil, green tea, and avocados contain healing compounds that calm your immune system, repair damaged cells, and detoxify your bloodstream. Adding just 2 or 3 of these foods every day can transform your energy and reduce inflammation in weeks. At the same time, cutting down on sugar, alcohol, refined oils, and processed snacks reduces the stress your body has to fight. Your lifestyle also plays a major role. A simple 10-minute walk can lower inflammation markers. Deep breathing lowers cortisol. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins. Getting 6 to 8 hours of sleep gives your cells time to repair. Even sunlight boosts your immune balance. None of these require special equipment, just consistent, gentle habits that send your body a signal to breathe, slow down, and heal. When you lower the triggers and add the right foods, your immune cells calm down. Your digestion becomes lighter. Your joints move easier. Your energy rises. Your skin becomes clearer. Inflammation doesn't disappear overnight, but every clean meal, every walk, every good night of sleep pushes your body back toward balance. And that's the beauty of it. Healing starts with small daily changes. Inflammation isn't your enemy, it's a warning sign. And now that you understand what causes it and how to reverse it naturally, you can take back control of your health, one simple step at a time.